Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working with BLY hair. You already know I got this 10-inch bob. Don't play, y'all know what season it is. Y'all know it's bob season, don't play. But yeah, I'm finna install it for y'all, so keep watching. Okay.
In the wake of a hurricane, dark skin of a summer shade.
Hey y'all, so you already know I'm going in with my powder, darkest one I can find at the hair store, to make sure that it's my color or whatever. I added an elastic band because girl, we don't do glue at all. Okay. So here I'm molding my color onto my lace, making sure that it doesn't get on my skin. Man, right here you can tell that I put my band too tight, but I ended up fixing it. I didn't show it in the video, but I did fix it and put another band on it. So I am going ahead cutting my lace. I'm still working on trying to perfect working with frontals or whatever, but I'm getting better for sure. You see, what I should have done was cut my ear tabs before I started cutting my lace, which I don't know why I didn't. As you can see, my lace isn't my color, so I have to go back in and add some more color to make sure, that it blends with my skin. I don't think I did it on camera, but I definitely did it. So I'm still cutting or whatever. I had to make sure I molded down my hair so it didn't show any tracks. I used my hot comb and my Nairobi mousse, of course. So I'm just going in, just making sure that my part is where I want it to be and everything is molded down properly. This is where I go ahead and pull out whatever hair that I want for, my edges or whatever. I don't do, the crazy edges, the hula hoop edges. I don't like that. So I'm going to use my elastic band, hold it down for 10 minutes or so while I straighten my hair. And also, I use my elastic band, since I do glueless, I use it to, mold my hair down to my skin as much as it would. And I find this so much better. I used to do the Gatsby, but they used to rip out my edges. So I was like, I'm not doing it again. And I haven't even tried the glue. I'm going to try it one day, but I'm scared for my edges. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. So the bob was relatively straight, so I just went ahead and bump my ends. Right here, I'm gonna cut my scalp love, okay? Don't play. But over here, I'm gonna go ahead and mold my my edges while I straighten my hair. I don't know why, but it was taking me a long time on that side right there, trying to mold my edges how I wanted them to. But really, just take your time. Like, you don't have to rush, I promise. And if you catch me like looking up, mind you, my TV is right above me, and I'm in the middle of watching Grey's Anatomy. Well, binge watching Grey's Anatomy. Oh no, it was just not working for me, so I just gave up and just molded it. I know later I tried to do it again and it actually came out right, so it was fine, whatever. So yeah, I'm just straightening my hair. Y'all, this flat iron I got for $35 at Walmart because I saw on this girl's YouTube. This was like 4 years ago. I saw on this girl's YouTube that this was like the best flat iron ever. Oop. I had to get it, and it's literally the best flat iron ever. Maybe not 4 years ago, maybe like 3. That was really it. They call me Bobo, don't play with me. And it just kept flying. Like, I just had to keep molding it. Yeah, there we go. Hot coming and doing whatever to keep it straight and down. As you can see, it's still not how I wanted it. So I did go in and mold my edge right there again because it looks stupid. Look, stupid. Hula hoop. Giving very much hula hoop. I don't like that. So I thought that this was, I guess, better or whatever. I got tired. So this was better, and so that's how I had it molded. Nope, scalp, don't play. Very cute. I love the bob. I love the bob season. I also want to add, this hair is very affordable and very nice. It does not shed like at all. Like, I'd be surprised when hair don't shed at all, but I very much love it. Okay. y'all, this concludes my video. I just wanted y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other videos y'all want me to do. You already know the deal. Chobi out. Okay.